Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by eliminating immediate temptations and creating a replacement plan. Remove candies, sweet drinks, and baked goods from sight now. This reduces automatic grabs. Once done, load your kitchen with protein and fiber-rich snacks, nuts, Greek yogurt, whole veggies, so cravings have an alternative. Make sure to schedule a strict 48-hour no-sugar start window to break the neurological loop, and identify your top 3 triggers so you can address them when they occur. Once you've started, focus on steady blood sugar and habit replacement. Prioritize protein and fiber at every meal to blunt spikes that fuel sugar urges. This maintains energy and reduces cravings. Make practical swaps, choose plain yogurt and add cinnamon or citrus instead of flavored products, so you keep ritual without sugar. Also track each craving. Note time, intensity on a 1 to 10 scale, and what you were doing or feeling. This pattern lets you preempt and change behavior rather than react. To complete the transition, lock in daily routines that support willpower. Prioritize consistent sleep, stay hydrated, and add 20 to 30 minutes of movement to reduce stress-driven eating. Celebrate milestones with non-food rewards, time with friends, a hobby, or new gear to reinforce change. If you slip, don't ruminate. Shorten the next goal to 24 hours, immediately remove the offending trigger, and replan your meals and snacks. This quick correction prevents one lapse from becoming a full relapse.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.